6 years ago, Veronica from Peterborough was successfully treated for lung cancer. She had a small tumour removed and can't praise doctors at Papworth Hospital enough.
The tumour was a hair's breadth away from the spine, so it had to be done really carefully, and they've done such a marvellous job.
Sorry, how are you?
Yeah, she's one of 800 people taking part in a study led by doctors here.
It's going to be sharp scratch.
They think a blood test can give clues about whether they're at risk of new cancers developing.
If you take a blood sample from someone who's had a cancer or has cancer, you can see the cancer DNA in the bloodstream. Hopefully, when we've removed the cancer from someone, there'll be no cancer DNA in their bloodstream. But if they start to develop a second cancer, the DNA will start to appear again.
In the early 90s, the long-term survival rate of patients with lung cancer was only about 5 or 6%. It's now more like 21%. But research now shows that lung cancer survivors have 2 to 3 times greater risk than the general population of developing another primary cancer in the 10 years after their first cancer was diagnosed. The study is funded by a £2.5 million grant from Cancer Research UK and is taking place at NHS hospitals, including the Norfolk and Norwich and Chelmsford. For Veronica, a blood test is daunting, but also reassuring.
There's always going to be that little bit of doubt. Could secondary cancer have started? But nothing that would stop me from coming in.
The results of the study won't be known for several years, but everyone's hoping the science will save lives. Veronica, ITV News.